Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about shopdivers.com reviews? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or to move up to some other store if it's a scam. So let's check out the detail. As the website is getting attention of the customer living in United States, and people are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this website. Let's check out what is shopdivers.com. It is an international accessory store. The website trades in multiple fashion articles such as watches, bracelets, necklaces, sunglasses, etc. As far as website is concerned, these are that each product is made using 100% original metals such as gold, silver, titanium, but it has not provided any certification to prove it. Nevertheless, the website holds a decent collection of the products for both men and women. Beside that, the product pricing and do not include any detailed description of their specification and features. Let's check out the details of shopdivers.com. It is HTTPS secured website. They are selling accessories like watches, bracelets, necklaces, sunglasses. They share their email address, but no contact detail and physical address have been shared. For shipping, they need 8 to 14 business days, but they have not shared any information for return time and shipping fee. For refund, they need 1 to 5 working days. They have multiple payment methods available. The positive point of the website are: the site is HTTPS safe, it holds customer remarks on it, it offers high luxurious item, it holds an active social media page link of Instagram on it. The site ships throughout the United States and several other parts of the world. The negative point of shopping from shopdivers.com are: the site has not provided any certification for the originality of its products. The company's office and contact numbers are still missing from the website. The site's user interface is poorly planned. So the question is Shopdivers legit? Let's check out the detail in depth. As far as domain name and its creation date is concerned, it was created on 9th Feb 2021. Like, it is more than 6-month old website. On its official website, the positive reviews are mentioned. The website domain name will be valid till 9th Feb 2022. Like, its life expectancy date is very short. As far as content quality are concerned, it is below average. Moreover, we found an active social media page of Instagram for this website, and the share logos of Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest are given, which are inactive on the website. The physical address have not been shared. Its trust score is 1%, that is shallow. Moreover, trust rank is about 24.8% out of 100, which is not also good. As we all know that customer reviews give us a lot of help to check out the legitimacy of any online portal. So when we check out for this, we found that the website holds positive reviews of the customer on different product, where people have posted that the site offers quality item and received products are excellent. But when we check out Trustpilot, we found mixed reviews, where some people said the website sells counterfeit item and the available brands are also fake. On the other hand, some said that the wristwatch they have received is nice. So in our conclusion, we can say that the website has gained mixed reviews. Due to this reason, we just recommend you to search well before taking any call to action, and check out the reviews of the customer and then make a wise decision for your shopping. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.